you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to create this gorgeous glam burgundy smoky eye, perfect for a night out. If you want a classic burgundy smoky eye, all you have to do is skip the glitter and you've got yourself a classic fall eye makeup look. So let's get started. Start off by blending a deep pink or red eyeshadow into your crease and all over your eyelids. This is going to be our transition shade. Once you've got a beautiful blend going, apply a creamy gel or pencil liner along your lash line. Don't worry about making it too neat, we're gonna blend it out. Grab a matte burgundy shadow and blend this above the black liner we just applied and all over your eyelids. Take your time building it up. You may have to go over it a few times. Next, grab a clean blending brush and blend out the edges in the crease. Apply the same matte burgundy shadow along your lower lash line and connect it with a shadow on the outer corners. Pop a shimmery pale pink eyeshadow into the inner corners of your eyes and tap to blend it out. Apply your liner as usual. I'm not doing a wing because I wanted the lashes to add the drama, but I did add an inner corner wing. Push some matte black eyeshadow or pencil liner into your upper waterline. You guys, this simple step makes a massive difference, especially when you're working with dark shadows. It just adds so much to the final look. So give it a try if it's not something you usually do. Apply a black pencil or gel liner to your lower waterline. Now let's get to the glitter. This is the glitter primer I'm using, and this is the glitter. It's from Voss. I'll have all the products I'm using listed below in the description box, so check it out if you're interested in anything. I have not used glitter on my eyes in years, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my god, how gorgeous is that? It reminds me so much of a starry night. Curl your lashes and apply mascara to the top and bottom lashes. And finally, I'm going in with a nice big pair of falsies. And we're done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this look out. It's so dramatic and sultry and glam. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and learned something new. I have new tutorials going up every Wednesday, so hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss it. I love you guys and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!